I'm posting this in YouTube so that I hope that this becomes a reminder to a lot of people that when something has been placed in their heart, a business, an investment, something grand, a big dream, that you don't stop until you hit it. You count the cost, that it will be hard because you're doing something that's different. You will be opposed. But when that happens, you don't stop. Hey guys, so I'm headed to Park 12. What's so interesting was I've already walked up this much, but there's still a lot more to walk up. This is something that's been very, very tiring. So while I'm climbing, nahinihingil ako. It just gave me a realization also. The things that are super, super amazing, the goals that you want to achieve, they're not easy. You may have to climb a very, very long, very, very steep steps. It may be harder, it may be similar to this. Not a lot of people are walking this path because the goal to your dreams, not a lot of people will walk in them. Not a lot of people will do it because it's hard. And most of the people want to be comfortable. Everyone has grand dreams, but when it gets hard, when there's pain, they stop. When it comes to the point where it pushes you and takes you out of your comfort zone, they stop. I want to encourage you when I'm doing this entire walk up. The view up top is amazing, but to get there, that's not what a lot of people talk about. That it requires hard work, it requires discipline, it requires determination, it requires preparing yourself to be ready, and maybe also making sacrifices to do the things that other people don't do as well. You only have like the 1%, the upper 10% that really does well in business, in investing. They're willing to do the things that a lot of people are not doing. They're willing to do what it takes and just do the things that are hard. If it was so easy, then everyone else would be doing it. One way for you to know that you're onto something big is when your friends and people around you who don't think big say that your dream is too big, sobrang laki ng pangarap mo. But that already means that you're already in the right track. When you are doing things that not a lot of people are doing, then I think you're in the right path already. When you feel that there's pain, when you feel that you're being stretched, when you feel that you're not comfortable, there's no growth when you are comfortable. How do you reach your dreams? How do you achieve things that are different from everyone else? You have to go the extra mile. It also means that you have to do the hard things. It also means that you also have to train. It also means that there will be sacrifices that will be needed to be made. If it means that also you change the group of people you hang out with, then so be it. Because at the end of the day, you will only grow as much as the people that you see around you, the people that you're with. But similar to this, when you continue to push forward, that's when things become amazing. I guess part of this video is me telling you and encouraging you to not stop, to not quit. I've gone a great way up, but there's still way more there. Sometimes the hardest part is when you're in the middle. You've thought that you've done a lot of things already, but you feel that you're still so far from where you want to go. But I just want to encourage you, when those things happen, you keep on pushing on. I'm posting this in YouTube so that I hope that this becomes a reminder to a lot of people that when something has been placed in their heart, a business, an investment, something grand, a big dream, that you don't stop until you hit it. You count the cost, that it will be hard because you're doing something that's different. You will be opposed. But when that happens, you don't stop. As you can see, the view is amazing. If you go up top, it's hard, it's tiring, but you don't stop. You don't stop no matter what it is, because the success, the journey becomes more fulfilling when you know what it took, the hardship, the pain to be able to get to where you are. It's what makes entrepreneurship and investing even more amazing. It won't be success all the time. You won't win all the time, but it's those series of losses. It's those series of hardships. It's those series of things not going your way those clients that you didn't get, those failed trades that you thought would alter or at least change your portfolio if it's done well. Always remember this. Those series of mistakes is what's leading you to who you are right now, where you are right now, and what you want to be in the future. It's those series of mistakes that will allow you to become bigger, better, and stronger. Not just financially, but also in the inside. You have to realize that there's such an emotional muscle that's needed also to go against the flow, to go against the grain, to continue to push and go up top. Everyone wants to go up top, but not everyone wants to make the sacrifices that they need to make to be able to go for that journey, to be able to go higher, to be able to move up, because it's not easy. If it was so easy, everyone would do it. If it was so easy, financial freedom, success, whatever heights you want to get, everyone would be there. There's a reason why there's the upper 1%. There's a reason why there's the upper 10%. There's a reason why you have a lot of people in the middle, because those that are in the middle choose to be comfortable. Nothing wrong with that if that's what makes them happy, if that's their goal. But if you're watching this and you have bigger dreams, bigger goals, bigger ambitions, I'm telling you right now, don't stop, don't quit. It doesn't matter if you travel alone, as long as you travel according to your purpose, your plan, and your destiny. As long as you know what you're doing is in line to where you want to be. It's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be an uphill challenge. But every time you go uphill, it develops muscle. It makes you bigger, better, and stronger. And as you even look back, you'll realize that you're not the person who you were before. You're not the person that several problems before would have destroyed you. But now, those problems don't even matter because you got stronger. That's why when the task is hard, you keep on going up. When the task is hard, you keep on pushing up, you keep on moving forward. You never stop, you never quit, you never surrender, because the view from the top is always amazing. The view from the top is always fulfilling. I know I always talk about investing, and I always talk about business. Part of succeeding in investing and in business is having the right mindset. The mindset of you not quitting, the mindset of you not stopping, the mindset of you moving forward, keeping forward, going up, pushing up. Because winners, successful people, good investors, never quit, never stop, no matter how hard it is. That's it for now. Marvingermo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. God bless you all.